Hi, hello, good morning, good evening, all parents and students. Today, I want to explain about polytechnics and their benefits. After SSC, the parents they don't know in which directions is the son or daughter to take the admissions, either pharmacy, science, or agriculture, or is polytechnic. So, as you know that here the experts are analyzed that by 2024 we need more than 600 millions technically trained technical people are required, because presently the world of work skill in India, the world of work skill young India. Once we're talking about the young India means, because 600 million trained technicians were required means here 57% of this 600 billions were goes to this polytechnic students and diploma students. Why? Because our Indian economy want to reach 600 with 5 trillions. 600 Arabs are 5 trillions. 5 trillions economy means you have to make it industrializations, manufacturing plants, design sector, service sector, and service and maintenance sector. And so there are so many different sectors in the field of different engineering, like a civil, computer science, electrical, electronics, and mechanical. So when you're talking about the designs and software, all these means here, first one is the design, manufacturing, productions, quality controls, testing, and erections, and finally softwares. So these are different area. As diploma course is very short, just only 3 years. Your son is passed out, your daughter is passed out at the age of 16. It means before attaining his age of 20, he will get the job with a package of 2 to 3 lakhs per annum. 2 to 3 lakhs per annum. And this course is very short duration, just only 3 years. And whatever they learn the subject at first year level, what they learned at schooling, basic physics, mathematics, chemistry, the same subject making it in diploma first semester also. As per the C18 curriculum, presently since last 1.5 years, we are dealing with the C18 curriculum, and this curriculum is very standard as per the requirement of an our SPT industries. According to the required specifications, we want to produce the technicians. It means here, so that according to the syllabus, we are providing the education for our student. And this what that diploma having is main. First one is it is very short durations, only 3 years, with the minimum expenditures what you paid at schooling level. Some school they are taking more than at our college fees. So standard is said it is a 15,000 to 18,000 per annum as per the fee reimbursement procedure strategy. And remaining from payment sheet, it may more than 2 to 3 times of that fee reimbursement which they are charging. And the next, after this 3 years diploma, they can get directly lateral entry at second year BTech course also. And this is a very plus point and advantage, more easy for the polytechnic students means, because all whatever the subject they have learned, at every semester having the 5 to 6 theory and 5 practicals. And 5 semester, totally there are 5 semester. One is industrial training. Totally it is more than 25 to 30 theory subject, 25 to 30 practical subjects. Theory and practical 50-50, sometimes 60% theory and 40% practical, or some cases especially it is 60% practical, 40% theory. This is depend upon the requirement and the course curriculum content they are made by SPTT expertise committee. So once we want to make export our students as per the requirement of an present industries means, so naturally how the industrial people will recruit according to their skills, what the knowledge is having and what his attitude is. And we are focusing this knowledge, attitude and skills also. So here as the polytechnics have only 3 years, very short durations, and at a minimum fee, and second year directly we can enter the second year BTech. If you want to continue your higher education, 70% students will go for higher educations for BTech level, and the remaining 30-40% we are doing job also. And even though after taking the admissions at the BTech colleges, they are doing the part-time job because they are essential. The service is required by the industries. Basically, after 10th, they are expertise in the particular field because they are hard worker and easy adaptability and firm decision, because we give that during the 3 years period, we can mold this very young brain. We want to make it young India, so it's just complete skill based. So, the students and attitudes and the knowledge we are adding here. After 10th, when the students will come into our campus, especially my college where I am working, TRR Polytechnic, Mirpet, Hyderabad. It's nearby DRDL at Balapur. Since more than 13 years, I have rendered my service to the institutions as a head of the department. I never changed my position because since last 15 years, 14th years, I am doing my service. I am rendering my service to development of all this. Because it's very nearby our bus stand, say Imli bus stand. When I was new, it is just only 5 to 6 kilometers from that, and LB Nagar is 2 to 3 kilometers, and each and every 10 to 15 minutes in frequency buses from the women's college. It is situated nearby, adjacent to the city. It is one of the biggest and largest polytechnic with a very high intake of more than 1,080 students. We have the 5 to 6 different branches and more than 147 teaching staffs and non-teaching staff each and every department 5 to 6, and more than 18 faculty members, followed by the 1 or 2 HODs, one senior faculty, one is HOD. The remaining 10 members are seniors and 1 or 2 maybe young juniors like that. But more than 80% are the expert type people. While taking admissions, please check the college status. Once you visit the building, infrastructures, machineries, interact with the HODs and faculty members, you don't ask the students whether they followed and nearby your house or neighbors or well-wishers or parents. Because once you come and see, because it's nearby, therefore we are suggesting always we are at your service. We show you that what the labs we are having, how the labs conditions, and how many faculties are working in the department, and what the infrastructures of the building. See, we are having more than 7.5 acres land of our college. It is just adjacent to nearby 3 to 6 kilometers away from this central bus station, CPS from Hyderabad, Mirpet. And there are so many buses frequency also. And before that, I want to tell you why I am focusing this TRR Polytechnic as a number one and the largest polytechnic in our Telangana state. So you can take the details also. This our institution is a 2004 establishment and single owner proprietors, no any partnerships. Whatever the owner will take the decision is the final, and he will take decision on the based on what the HOD principal, the suggestion based on that you take. And so it is running very effective. This is the proof since 2008 to up to 2021. So having the more than 1,030 intake and 1,080 intake, we are very, very happily we are providing the service to the students, and students are also very happy. So here, why I am suggesting polytechnic means because it is a 3 years course and the minimum expenditures, and get the more opportunities, job opportunities are more. Because after completion of their course, most of the engineering industries, what they are doing, they want to recruit diploma holders, not a BTech. Why this diploma means they are the very young brain before the 19 or 20. It means they can mold according to the required specifications, and they will mold them. They will promote as an engineer, promote as a managers, and very handsome salary of 2 to 3 lakhs per annum. This is the minimum salary I am talking. And after graduation also it's very difficult to get the job, because most of the cases, some firm organizations where I visited, they prefer diploma holders. Each and every time some people there, sir, any skilled people are there, please forward us. We'll give the apartment, permanent apartment. We will train the 2 to 3 months. Within these 2 to 3 months, our diploma young engineer brain can hold according to their required specifications. They become expertise also. Once they expertise, they become permanent employment. Permanent employment is a very good handsome salary. It is 2 to 3 lakhs, simple. So the graduation you are doing it 4 to 5 years, here 2 years inter and 4 years BTech, and totally it becomes 6 plus 1, 7 means after 7 years, so the investment also at the same time you have to see that. investment lifespan, it already attained more than 2022. It means here 2024, 525. Even though 25 years or so, the students were not getting a good job at engineering level. So there is no much difference between this polytechnic and engineering. The subjects are same, almost 60% are same, because most of the students I am observing at polytechnic and engineering subjects almost same. The name may be different, but the content is same. Name is different, but content is same. So the students have the more opportunity, bright opportunity, because our 5 trillion economy reach means here their role are very important, because the government built the roadmap for this 5 trillion economy. This young technicians, they are more focusing, because they are experts. If they are given a very perfect training, they after comes their diploma, they become expert, and they can't change. They can't go for choice of their industries. First they are aware and wait and settle means here that become an throughout lifelong very effective, because they have that skill-based learning. And especially in my college, here the 124 TRR College of Technology Polytechnic Mirpet, it is nearby DRDL. They are approximately 9 kilometers away from that men's college, and 3-4 kilometers from LB Nagar. And this side Aramgarh, just only 5-6 kilometers, not more than that. Our students are different area, more than 10 to 15 kilometer radius. The students will come daily morning by 8:20, because if the student can late meet, we can't allow them. So this time we are making some strategic planning to change that, because the C18 curriculum, according to their curriculum, you have to make it some different changes. Definitely we will do that, because the students are here, we are taking the class. If there is no student, means here no faculty, no college, like that. We believe that principles. And we make it very strong alumni based in future. We have the alumni association on center also. This time I will recommend to our management, we need a alumni association center, because old alumni were the past out students. We want to make it the gap. That gap is filled by linked with the old and senior students with our junior students. That we want to make it, because what that 80 level, 90 level that we want to implement at our college, because it's easy for us to maintain all those there. So as the polytechnic students are the boon for Skill India means here, the Skill India means here how the relation is. The more manpower, more means here more than 57% of our 600 millions required. Among 57% goes for this all polytechnic students, because the short time, minimum durations, more employment opportunities, and they can feel the more responsibilities, and they will get more responsibilities than the engineering graduates, because so many of our students are working. Because anyway they are hard work, they can sometimes if you want they can make work also, and they will extract the work, or sometimes they will work on the machines. It means here it shows, you can show that sure man operating the machines or men operating the machines, those both are same. So before taking the admissions, please visit like institutions or college. Once you see that establishment of labs, infrastructures, classrooms, and students feedback, and past records. Past records means by visiting the college, you don't say blindly, you can come and see. There are totally A, B, C, 3 blocks, and very big campus, more than 7-acre land, I think, maybe. Each and every class more than 72 square meters, with the capacity, seating capacity more than 60 students, 72 students easily can sit in that classroom. And this is one of the biggest polytechnic in our Telangana, and largest intake of 1,080 students every year, and we are running first and second shift. And every year it is a continuously growing. So due to this pandemic, this time the students were searching the college where we have to take, when we have to take, and what the procedure we followed, what the fee structures. Also come and see that, even though in RVs we have got some numbers also, you can contact those numbers directly. You can interact with the HODs of the departmental and principal, vice principal, and management, and administrative EO also. There is a different category. Everyone will respond. Even though night 12 o'clock also, they can respond very effectively and quickly for the student purpose. Because this is the world of work with a Skill India vision means definitely it is possible by only polytechnic students, because these polytechnic students definitely they can serve with stick with the industry, and they will hard work. I assure you that once the student will get pass out from this diploma, 100% you will get the job. There is no doubt about it. There is no need to search a job waiting for the job. Jobs are waiting for them, and some people who are suggesting like that finally students you can start their own also. Some one or two students are also there. They have started their own. It means they are focusing self-entrepreneurs. We are focusing that also because it's very difficult to provide employment for all people. So make them self-entrepreneurs. They can start their own in the small industry also. They can start cottage industry, home industry, and middle class small industry also. They can, because they can operate, they can do their work by using their hand. So during this all the managerial skills. First we focus on the managerial skills, and second is the technical skills, and third is soft skills and life skills. All in. So communication skills we need, and stress management, time management, creative thinking, problem solving ability, and how to handle the work, how to extract the work from the peoples, and how we can allot the work, and how we can take the decision making. So totally here the error free, zero defect products. Once the students will enter in the manufacturing industries means here the manufacturer what they want. So zero defect products. It means there is no rework is required to finish the products. So that type of training we are providing to our students very neatly. So according to this base, so students can reach to its destinations very effectively and smoothly with a high package. What the parents they need. After completing 2 to 3 years of this SSC, the son getting the job means here at the age of 45 to 50 age, father, the son is earning. It means the father want to take retirement because my son is earning. Simple policy. And within this availability of the students' requirement, and manufacturing industries in the sector of design, manufacturing, productions, maintenance, service, assembling, testing, and software. There are so many different elements. So when you are talking about the software bits, here you have to work more than 18 hours with a less salary. They will do 12 hours to 18 hours most common there. But whereas in manufacturing industries means generally so shift wise 7 hours, not more than that, because they will run 2 to 3 shifts. Shift 1, shift 2, shift 3 means 7 hours only. 7 automatically the flexible time in working, getting maximum salary with to lead the life very systematically. And some students are interested to go for BTech level means also that also possible. It's good directly second year BTech lateral entry, because it became very easy for them to get the seat also, as well as number of colleges are more and number of seats are also more at engineering level, so easily they will get seat. At the same time, some colleges they are permitted to work permission also. You can work and you can do the higher education lateral post method. Either you can study and as well as you can go for work also. That also some is not a compulsory, but some colleges are providing. So what the students need, so within a short time he become a really engineer with a handsome salary package of 2 to 3, 4 lakhs. So there are so many polytechnics, so many engineering colleges they are running the polytechnic engineering. So because 2008 onwards, I am working with my PRR Polytechnic 2004 establishment, and single proprietor, only one owner. So whatever the decision will take. So for welfare of the organizations only, institution only, he will take the decision according to the management and our institute teaching staff and principal. Everyone will support for that. We have the 5 to 6 pillars. Always our management is saying the pillars are the pillars of the institutions. Okay, HOD whatever they take the decision, collective decision, the final. Because we have the faith of that, since all are more than 10 to 12 years, we are rendering the service to the development of the institutions. And we are keeping students are our main customers, and customers are our God. We treat and very effectively we are teaching them, and there is no chances of killing the time at campus. And even though we are strictly banned, these all personal care also will take, like hair clipping. These all some they don't know tell them. When the students will enter, they can understood. And I'm requesting all parents and students, if you are nearby the students, please come to my college and you see and what real is, what imaginary. We don't, everything is open and we are always at your service. You also come and see the college campus. First, you see the building infrastructures and all the furnitures, everything. And second is all lab establishments like components, machineries, or very expensive machines we are having. And the next, HODs and teaching staff, and next administrative staff, and how the good ground also we needed. So many colleges don't have any ground. We are having the very plus point for that. We have the big campus and this ground, and sports meet also will do that. So many other activities also every year. Totally for universal development of the students, all type of care is taken by management, principal, HODs, students and faculties. Thank you. Thank you for the